Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next we'll be making this scale. So you can see we have taken a white paper. Now fold the pink color paper strip on the top of it. Now we have to again fold it like this and paste it. Now after that we have to take a pink color paper and then mark the lines as per the scales over it. Now fold it and paste it as shown in the video. Now fix it on the sides of the scale like this and it's ready. Don't forget to paste it from the back as well, and you have to fix it like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the pink color paper like this and make this beautiful wallet. So we have to take a pink color paper, fold it like this. Now press it like this from the sides. Now we have to open it and press it inwards as shown in the video. Now you can see how we have folded the paper. Now we have to spread it from the between and then you have to fix it inwards. Fold it like this as shown in the video and then we have to press it. Now paste it with the green, purple and different color papers of your choice in the same manner. Now take another pink color paper, fix it in the between of it and put a tip top over it like this and it's done. Next we have to take a red color paper to make this beautiful heart. So take a red color paper, cut it from the between and press it. Fold it like this. Now open it and press it from the sides. Now we have to fix it inwards like this. Fold it upward and then we have to fix the paper like this. So you can see we have to fold the paper and then we have to fix it like this inwards. And take another red color paper and make the creases on it as shown in the video. Now turn the paper and again fold it like this. Make the heart shape on the top of it, fix it by folding it like this and press it and put it over the stand and it's ready. Next we'll be making this box. So we have to take a paper, fold it like this and press it. Now we have to fold it from the sides. Now open it and again fold it to make the creases. Now you have to open the paper and tuck it like this from the sides to make the covering of the box. Now we have to take up another paper like this and fold the creases over it and then we have to press it like this. Keep folding the paper as shown in the video. Now we have to press it like this from the sides as well and the top. Fold it and fix it with the help of the glue and paste it. Now from the top, you have to fix it like this. So this is the bottom section and fix the paper so that it doesn't open. Now we have to fix the paper from the top and it's ready. Next, we'll be making these envelopes. So we have to take the paper, fold it like this and make a triangle-like shape. Now fix it from the sides. Now put the paper upward and then fix them into each other and it's done. Next we'll be making this toy. So we have to take the different color papers of these small shapes. Now we have to fix them by folding it like this. Make the lines over it and fold it. Turn the paper and again fold it like this as shown in the video. Now after that press it like this as we are folding here. Fold it upward and again fix it. Turn the paper and again fold it upward like this. Now spread it from the between and make the space as shown in the video. Paste it from the sides as shown here. Now after pasting it, we have to fix all the paper boxes together like this and make a line out of it. Arrange them and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.